our channel. Today I'm going to show you one experiment. For that you need pencils, Ziploc bag and color water. First, fill color water. Now close this tightly. Now to poke the pencils. See, it's not even leaking. Do you know why this happened? It's because plastic bags are made of polymers, making the bag to stretch. When sharp pencils poke, polymers seal around the pencils so it doesn't leak. Hope you like my experiment. If you want to watch more videos, click on the subscribe button. Thank you.